notes. And what I want to start with, though, is something that's not on there that you will need. That's a review. If you recall, if you have y equals b to the x, and this is one that we struggle to remember, and even I do sometimes struggle with this one, and you're trying to remember how to do the derivative. And it's not a power rule, it's not a product rule, it's not a quotient rule, it's not a chain rule. So what I do is, I know this, that I can take the log of both sides, the natural log. And when I take the natural log of both sides, I can bring down the x, okay? And then what I can do, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to develop the derivative for this, because this is going to be one that, I don't know, it's just really tough to remember this one. So if I take the derivative now of the left side, it's 1 over the stuff times the derivative of the stuff. And on the right side, it's just ln b, right? Because ln b is some constant in front of the x. Now, I can multiply both sides by y, and y is equal to b to the x. So this is y, the derivative of b to the x is b to the x times ln b. Okay? So, let's find y prime if y equals 2 to the x. I don't expect you to go through all that again. We now know what it is. Y prime would be 2 to the x times an ln 2. Okay, try it for letter B. If y equals 5 to the x. Well, y prime then would be 5 to the x times ln 5. Try this one though. Y equals 7 to the 3x. There's only one teeny tiny difference, and it's going to be the chain rule, right? This is derivative. You've got to keep derivatives and integrals straight. So this is 7 to the 3x times ln 7, and then what do I need? Times the derivative of that exponent, which would be 3. Okay? All right, so this is just to refresh your memory on how you do the derivative. Now, let's look at this one. The formula, and this is on that yellow paper that you guys are supposed to be writing the 20 times, okay? Now we're getting a lot further. I think by the end of this week, we'll have everything that's on the yellow paper, okay? And then we'll begin to have derivative and integral quizzes, which will actually help our grades a lot. So here we go. If I want to integrate b to the x dx, it's 1 over ln b times b to the x plus c. So it's just, instead of it being ln b, it's 1 over. And then the b to the x, though, is still up at the top. So look how easy this is, you guys. This is going to be a very brief lesson like last time. So this one's going to be 1 over ln 2 times 2 to the x plus c. That's it. You just have to remember that's what it is. Yes?
Can we just put the 2 to the x on here?
You may.
Okay. I just didn't know if that was...
You can. Absolutely. All right, try 2 and 3. Okay, check them with the board. You guys got it? Pretty easy. All right, let's continue. Now, if it's something other than x, you have to do with an integral, use substitution. So we get u is 2x du would be 2 dx. Well, there's no 2, so we have to divide. So this is now 1/2 the integral of 3 to the u du. So it's 1/2 times 1 over ln 3 times 3 to the u plus c. So that's 3 to the 2x over 2 ln 3. Now, if they had in the denominator ln 9, would you know where that came from? Where would ln 9 be?
The 2 in front of the ln is actually
The exponent, right? Yes. Yeah, exactly. You can pull it up, so don't be alarmed. All right, try 5 and 6. I'll give you a head start.
This is my phone.
Yes.
Is it like 2 ln x is the same thing as ln x squared, right?
2 ln x, yes.
Would it be, is the denominator for number 4, could it be written as ln 9?
Yes.
Okay. I was just wondering.
Yes, you are absolutely correct.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. All right, check your answers. Any questions?